Hi everyone, it's Liam at Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 Ford Kuga ST Line X. Now of course you do get front parking sensors, you get full LED headlights, daytime running lights. You then also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition, as these are of course 20-inch alloys. Coming around to the rear, you've then got your rear parking sensors. We've got your reversing camera in the middle just here. Then with this being the ST Line X, you do get a full electric opening tailgate. You've then got 60/40 split folding rear seats, which you can fold down with a lever on either side. To lower the tailgate, simply press the button up top and it will drop down like so. Then coming around the car again, you'll see it is finished in this stunning pearlescent paint. You've then got your diamond cut alloys, rear alloy there, sorry. You've got part Alcantara, part leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom, full electric windows all round, keyless entry, heated front and rear seats, electric driver's seat just there. You've then got a 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got your drive select just here, so you can choose between sport, slippery, snow and sand assist, normal, eco. Then of course we've got dual climate control with 2 front heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated windscreen and heated rear windscreen. We've got your touchscreen display in the middle, which comes with your various audio sources. We've then got Bluetooth hands-free and of course satellite navigation. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control on the top left, audio or volume controls just below. Over to the right, we have your onboard computer controls with your track select, Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. As you can see as well while we are here, this Kuga has done 39,927 miles. We're jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Ford Kuga, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.